Hello there, very good afternoon to you. I hope your weekend's going well despite the weather, which I have to say has been very unsettled indeed. And in the next 24 or so hours we've got some strong winds on the cards for some parts of the UK, heavy rain at times leading to the risk of localised flooding. Warnings in force through this afternoon. Some strong winds up towards the northwestern parts of Scotland with the risk of those winds gusting over 80 miles an hour, and a rain warning across the west and northwestern parts of England, Wales and just dipping into the southwestern parts of Scotland. We've got Atlantic frontal systems crossing the UK through this afternoon, and in the wake of this warm front here we've got some very warm air being drawn up from the west and southwest, and that contains the remains of Hurricane Zeta, and it's going to really help to hold those temperatures up overnight. If we see temperatures holding up at 16 degrees, that will make it our warmest November night on record, but it won't last very long. Unsettled weather on the cards for tomorrow, and already tomorrow it'll start to turn colder again. That's it, see you later. Hello there, very good evening to you. It's certainly been a very unsettled weekend of weather, and the potential for a little more disruption to come perhaps in the next 24 or so hours. Just so you're aware, some strong winds around, heavy rain at times leading to the risk of localised flooding. Now we've got frontal systems crossing the UK through this evening and overnight, and this warm front here, the air behind it, very warm indeed. If temperatures do stay up at 16 degrees across the southeast, it the warmest November night on record. But the mild air is very briefly with us because, as you can see, it's business as usual in the wake of that system. And as we look ahead to tomorrow, we still have a rain warning very briefly in place, and then it clears off the scene. We are going to be seeing a mixture of sunny spells and showers, or slightly longer spells of rain throughout Monday. But as you can see, from a temperature point of view, very much down to what we'd normally expect for this time of year. Another unsettled day on the cards for Tuesday, but looking much better from Wednesday onwards. There's always hope. See you later. Hello there, very good evening to you. It certainly has been a very unsettled weekend of weather, and we do have the potential for a little more disruption in the next 24 or so hours with some strong winds, heavy rain at times leading to the risk of localised flooding. Just worth being aware. As we look ahead to tonight, we've still got some rain bands crossing the UK, and in the wake of a warm front which will have cleared off the scene by the time we get to 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we still have some very warm air sitting across the southeast of the UK. If these overnight temperatures do stay up at 16 degrees, that will be our warmest November night on record. But the warm spell is really only a very brief one, because as you can see, in the wake of that, already back to business as usual. As we start a brand new week, we do so with a mixture of sunny spells and showers, or long and blustery feel generally through tomorrow. Temperatures really starting to drop off once again. Another unsettled day on the cards for Tuesday, but much more positive from Wednesday. Good night, sleep well.